Chocolate can be very dangerous for your dog. Do you know why? Don't worry, I'll let you know. The main reason behind this is two chemicals which are found in chocolate. Number one is theobromine, number two is caffeine. We humans can metabolize these two chemicals very quickly, but dogs can't. So, it stays in blood circulation and stimulates GIT, heart, kidney, blood vessels, eventually causing vomiting, diarrhea, hyperactivity, and even seizure. Also, these two chemicals are found in high concentration in dark chocolate as compared to milk chocolate. So, darker the chocolate is, more the toxicity will be.